I've got some planting to do. Lithadora in Greek, stone gift. Very suited for a rock garden. And this is just a great color combination too. I love it. Hopefully I won't have to come up here very often. There's the Arabis snowcap. This is creeping thyme, I believe. I grew those from seeds a few years ago. These have been here about 3 years now. I've got an empty spot right there. I'm going to put either the Lithadora, which is stone gift in Greek, and they like rock gardens. They like rockeries. This is a rockery. And then I have another candy tuft one. This is the nice part of the rockery. In there, hazardous duty pay earned for the candy tuft, and this looks like a pretty good place for a rock cress to live. Here's a nice good spot right here with some soil. Okay, rolling, yeah. Okay, so there's another Lorada? I forget. Here's a gift for the stones. I put in another candy tuft there. And I guess I got a weed. Yeah,